Imagine running your online business while AI handles your emails, creates your content, answers customer questions, and automates repetitive tasks, all without hiring a large team. What if I told you that you can do all of this using completely free AI tools? In today's video, I'll show you 7 powerful AI tools that can automate your online business, save you hours every week, and help you grow faster than ever before. Let's dive in. Artificial intelligence is changing the way businesses operate. Tasks that used to take hours can now be completed in minutes. Whether you're a freelancer, content creator, online seller, or entrepreneur, these AI tools can help you work smarter, save time, and increase productivity. Let's start with tool number 1. The first AI tool is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is like having a virtual assistant available 24 hours a day. Need blog articles, need social media captions, need marketing emails, ChatGPT can generate all of them in seconds. Business owners use ChatGPT to write content, answer customer inquiries, create product descriptions, brainstorm ideas, and even develop marketing strategies. Instead of spending hours writing manually, you can focus on growing your business while AI handles the heavy. Next is Canva AI. Creating professional designs no longer requires expensive software or advanced design skills. With Canva AI, you can create YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, business presentations, advertisements, and marketing materials within minutes. Simply describe what you want, and Canva's AI tools help bring your ideas to life. For online businesses that rely on visual content, Canva AI can save countless hours every month. If video content is part of your business, you'll love CapCut AI. Video editing often takes a significant amount of time. CapCut simplifies the process with AI-powered tools that automatically generate captions, remove backgrounds, enhance audio, and speed up editing workflows. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, TikToks, Instagram Reels, or product promotions, CapCut AI can dramatically reduce editing time. Now let's talk about automation. Zapier connects thousands of apps and automates repetitive business tasks. Imagine someone fills out a form on your website. Zapier can automatically send a welcome email, update your CRM, create a spreadsheet entry, and notify your team. All of this happens without any manual work. The more repetitive tasks you automate, the more time you have to focus on business growth. Email marketing remains one of the most effective ways to generate sales online. Mailchimp's AI features help businesses create better email campaigns and automate customer communication. You can set up welcome emails, promotional campaigns, abandoned cart reminders, and follow-up sequences. Once everything is configured, your email marketing can run automatically while you focus on other aspects of your business. Customer support can become overwhelming as your business grows. Tidio AI solves this problem with intelligent chatbots that respond instantly to customer questions. Instead of answering the same questions repeatedly, the AI assistant handles routine inquiries around the clock. This improves customer satisfaction while reducing your workload. The final tool is Notion AI. Many entrepreneurs call Notion AI their second brain. It helps organize projects, summarize notes, create task lists, generate content ideas, and manage workflows. Instead of juggling multiple productivity apps, Notion AI keeps everything organized in one place. For business owners looking to stay productive and focused, this tool is a game changer. Let's quickly recap the 7 AI tools: ChatGPT for content creation, Canva AI for graphic design, CapCut AI for video editing, Zapier for workflow automation, Mailchimp AI for email marketing, Tidio AI for customer support, and Notion AI for productivity and organization. Together, these tools can automate a huge portion of your online business.